Hello, people. This is Bear from Elliott Wave, and today I figure I would start a new segment, and I think I'm going to call it AI stocks. So it's basically going to be some AI related stocks and industries that are businesses that are into the semiconductor space. And if you guys enjoy it, I'll continue to do it. I'll update it every week as usual here on the channel. So you guys let me know in the comments if you enjoy this segment, and I will respond properly. Now we're going to take a look at NVIDIA. We're going to do AMAT applied material. I think we're going to do ASML, which is big into the semiconductor. They're based off the Netherlands, and they are big in the construction of semiconductors, of chips. They have a very extremely delicate and expensive cutting line technology for semiconductors. And we're going to take a look at AMD, and you guys can let me know down in the comments what else you guys want to take a look at. So without wasting too much of your time, by the way, today is Monday, the 10th of February, 2025. NVIDIA. Now, I had to fix my NVIDIA account here. I have a 1212. As I often said, I said it before in the channel. So if you're new to the Elliott Wave Theory, what I've learned with time, with experience, is many times when you see a contracting, let's call it region, if it's not a triangle, many times it's a series of 1-2s. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, that's what I learned. Now it can be right, call me foolish, call me stupid. But that's what I learned. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 3 4. So now I'm looking, and it looks like, so I had to review account like a couple of weeks ago. It looks like, at least to me, we could be very close to a top here. I think 200 would be the perfect place to top, because 2 is a Fibonacci number, and then 200 is a psychological level. It's a whole number. For this way, 5 here, 3 here. But at that point, if I'm correct, at this point, we're correcting all of this. Okay? So you understand this would take several years. Now, is it possible? Yes. Think about how everyone is calling AI a bubble. Now, I don't think all of AI is a bubble, but if we take a look at NVIDIA's returns, yes, the company, remember, these are stocks, so there is an underlying business behind it. The company's done phenomenal. If we take a look at, where is it? Earnings, just something you don't really see. Look at this revenue. You don't see this every day for every company. But is this valuation a bit too high? I guess the market is going to tell us. But long story short, I'm expecting for further upside towards 200. And at that point, I wouldn't be surprised to see something big happening. Now here, a bit of a 1 2 1 2 1 4 5 3 triangle in 4, up in 5, and a diagonal here. ABC. It looks like, and we're going to investigate in just a second, a bottom could be in place. And now I'm looking for further downside. Now what is very interesting is, if we do our trend channel, look at this. We're trying to go back into the channel right now. So how is volume looking? Yeah, decreased volume here, which is fine. We're 5, and here a bit of increase in volume. On the low, we increased volume, so buyers eventually entering the market. 1 hour here. So obviously, TradingView likes to move on waves. I always say it. ABC, 1 2 3 4 5 for C, off 4, near the wave 4 and 1 degree textbook Elliott Wave move. Obviously, this goes here, but once again, TradingView likes to move on waves. Up in 1, I'll look for a pullback in 2. 130 needs to access support. Absolutely. 130 needs to access support to have a confirmation. And I'm looking for further upside. That's basically it in a nutshell. Any questions, you guys let me know. Now, I guess we can go on to AMD, kind of the sister company. I believe the CEOs are related of AMD and NVIDIA. They're like cousins or something. So AMD is in a place of its own. My best count at it is a 1 2 3, 4, 5. Okay, A, B, C, long lasting wait to look at this. This lasted 84, 2015. God, that's 30 years. Wow. And now I'm looking for a 1, 2. So these are showing, but they shouldn't be on the weekly. So now I'm looking for 1, 2, 3, a complex wave 4, up in 5, 4 minor wave 1. So I'm pretty bullish, but there's one thing we need to say about it. Now this could easily be A, B, C, right? Now, well, we can get some help, use relationships, and we see that equality stands at $587. So I would expect at least that target to be met. So even if it's an ABC, so extremely bearish scenario, I would expect at least $587 to be met at some point. Now, once again, I'll take you to the 4 hour. Maybe that's a bit too much. I'll take you to the daily. Okay. I'm looking for, a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As usual, TradingView likes to move my waves. You guys know it. ABC, 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 XXY. Looking for the downside. Ideally, 100 would act as support. Obviously, you guys know it. 1 is a fib number. It's the first number, first fib number, and it's also it's the strongest number in the market actually. So 0.618, common target if you're looking for a running flat. ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for C. We could be close. Equality at $75 is also possible. I would not discount it, but I think this is also possible as well. But I mean, until we do have evidence of a bottom in place, we can still continue higher. So I'm expecting, I'm identifying we're in correction. I just don't know when it's gonna end, right? Obviously, if I knew, I wouldn't be here. So next one, let's do apply materials. They're also into the semiconductor business. I do own this in my long-term portfolio. So I think I have a couple different counts here. One is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, infinity and beyond. Okay. Now I apologize if I go quickly over it, but at least I'll present you the counts. And then this video might do very bad. So if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. I update every week many things: the S&P, the Nasdaq, Bitcoin, ETH, gold. Gold is very popular, so I'll keep on doing it. No worries. I might even do like twice a week and focus on the intraday. You guys let me know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I do have an alternate count where basically the only difference is in here. It's a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, and I'm expecting a wave 5 here. But at that point, it would be a wave 5 of what? Of primary 1. So extremely bullish. So maybe everything needs to be moved 1 degree higher. This is primary, 1, 2, 4, 5. But at that point, I mean, the problem is, people, here's the problem. Okay. So you say, Barrett, you're really bullish. Okay, I'll give you that. So if I'm looking for a 1, 2, or even an ABC, I would like to see at least equality being met. Now, I'm not saying this is going to happen tomorrow. It could take 30 years, 40 years, 5 years. I don't know. But at the point you say, okay, we're now at $180, and you could be, Barrett, that's 38,000. That's I don't know. I'm afraid to know what time percentage. 21,000%, okay? That's absurd. Let's take a look at Apple, people. Let's take a look at Apple. So Apple, let's say here, Apple makes a 1, 2, right? So we're expecting upside. Equality, okay? 1,000%, okay? And from like here, we're at 100,000%. From this low line, right? Okay, even here, 12,000%, 21,000%, which is what we need. So is it possible? Well, Barry, you're saying applied material is the same as Apple? Well, Apple at the time was in its like revolutionary phase. It was a new company, revolutionized the word of I would say mainly let's say smartphones and computers to some degree, but I think the iPhone was the turning point. But it's not important. What is important is it's possible. So not saying it's gonna happen, I'm saying it's possible. Okay, so which one is it? I don't know, but if we take a look at the daily, so as usual, TradingView likes to move my waves, you guys know it. Oh god. Okay, so here forgive me. Okay, so I think okay. I have overlapping counts. Let's use this one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Here you would have 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should work. This one, okay. Now the question is, do we have an A, B, and C? So the honest answer is it is possible. The problem is this, unless it's an expanding leading diagonal, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, expanding leading diagonal, then it's corrective. Now the odds it's an expanding leading diagonal are very low, but not 0. So it could be W, X. It's kind of tough to count. Yeah, you count Y here. Y, maybe X, Z, possible. Not sure. So I need further developments. We are rejecting 200, which is a bearish sign. To be more bullish, I need support on top of 200. It is also true that C was 0.618 length of wave A. Nice target, not equality, but nice. Yeah, overall, we need we're like in a limbo. Not sure if we're gonna go higher. I mean, there's the only let's say evidence in favor of upside is that we have a free wave move. Okay, other than that, this move up, I mean, it is possible it's a leading diagonal, expanding leading diagonal, but the odds are very low. So I would say more bearish than bullish, but need to see further developments. And I think this video is like 10-ish, 15 minutes long. So I'm going to cut it here. You guys let me know if you enjoyed this segment on AI semiconductor stocks. If so, I will keep on doing more. I'll add some. Once again, I'll do ASML. I'll do some others. I'll do some research. I'll find some others. And yeah, you guys let me know. I'll see you around on YouTube. Subscribe, leave a like if you enjoyed the video. It really helps. And have a great week, everyone. Let's get started with a great Monday because life is sad already. So we got to make it happier. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow, people.